All right, guys, I'm sober. My drink package is still cut off. I got another 2 hours or so, supposedly, till I can drink again, even though I've already addressed this with the hotel director. So I'm going to go have some sushi. It's a little different than you think, though. You know how me and sushi don't. So we've got our sushi making equipment. This thing is populated by children, but I'm glad they've put down a dental dam. I don't usually use that form of protection when eating. That's all I'm gonna say. Guys, I think Kim Jong-un is leading our sushi class. With the actual
What got? Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispie treat. Yes. Put on my glove.
Okay, I want you not to open the Rice Krispies.
No glove, no love. I gotta put it. We got our protective dental dam and our gloves on, and we're about to roll some sushi.
I want you to open it up, okay? Just open.
Black candy roll.
You can do it. Open like this, everybody.
Look, we got seaweed. Everything's wrapped in plastic here. This is a green apple sour. All right, so now the seaweed is on the Rice Krispie treat. I'm confused. Are they Swedish?
We're gonna use the
Nerds roll.
Nerds. You're gonna use the nerds
roll. Yes. So much better than normal sushi. I love it. Do we bite it off?
Bite it up, boss.
Bite it off.
Bite
Yes.
it up. Remove the next one.
Oh my God.
Eat it. Alright, that one right there. Eat it.
Perfectly
Good.
like
Good. Now, this one the challenge part. One the nerds. See that?
Yeah.
The 2 thumbs down. And I want you to roll it like this in the front. Don't be scared, okay?
Always
roll
go
it
from front to back.
using
Not
your
back to
2 hands.
Glorious
With your
leader.
5 fingers.
We
Put
got
the
the
top.
glass.
Let the press like put the top. And I want you to grab it like this. Let the bamboo mat do his job. Okay? You can do it square, you can do it square. Now each one of the side, I want you to tap it like this one. Look. 1, 2, 3, each side, tap it.
Okay.
All like this, tap it.
I'm getting there.
Alright? Each side.
Sushi roll.
Okay, compress it.
I got each
Compress
hand.
it. This will serve as your tempura flakes, sesame seeds, black seeds. But today we're gonna use pop rocks. I want you to put on top of your
Sushi roll.
sushi roll.
Genius.
Now,
It's
I
like a
want you to
giant
roll
sheet
again.
cake Rice Krispie. Oh,
I
we're
want
gonna
you to
roll
roll
it again.
again.
Before we
Roll
activate the
again
hot
like
pot.
this.
We're making nigiri.
Making a nigiri. You know the nigiri? It's a sushi
Nigiri.
selection. The one that watches in television, alright? The rice on top of the fish, the shrimp. Okay, now we don't know which one to
Okay,
do.
so we're using
You done it?
this to strap the fish.
Yeah.
The Swedish fish and the gummy shark. Those all come from the candy store.
Yes. Right here.
Oh, the big one.
Yeah, the big one now. Let's start with the big one.
Okay. Got a big one.
We're gonna do
Glorious
what we
leader.
call-
He's a glorious leader.
Yeah, man.
You're gonna send
You
it
also
down.
I send you one mission. Okay, we will spice.
I gotta put my
Now, you ready?
stuff in.
Plenty people, sir.
Plenty of people said you look like Kim Jong-un.
You're the 100 people now.
Oh my God. So he's
Don't
slicing.
worry, Mr. Trump and that guy is best friend.
They are. So we're good.
Ow! Yours here.
Extra.
No. I have it more there. Where's the Kim Jong-un? Show me to me.
Kim Jong. Oh, so let's try. Look at that. You can actually see the detail.
Okay. Here we go, ma'am.
Wrong. Man gagging.
Try it. Try it, everybody, okay? Are you want chocolate?
They have
Try it now.
chocolate
okay?
sauce?
Anytime.
It's like a teriyaki sauce, but I'm not a fan of chocolate sauce. Hot rocks with pop.
So I need to subscribe to your channel, sir? Or?
Oh yeah, we got you. We got you. We got you. Thank you, glorious leader. I might visit your country one day. It is a good time. Well, that was actually a glorious time with a most glorious leader, and I did get a certificate of completion, which I get when I don't use a dental dam as well.